Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to make the past job animation and we will only using one picture. How to do that? So without any further ado and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is you can install this Pixverse application, and don't worry because this app can be also installed into your Android or the iOS phone. And after that you can simply open it as soon as the installation process is done. And don't forget to do the login first with your email because for the new user you will usually give you the several credits over here. And this is the look of the home page. And if you would like to get the new inspiration, then you can simply open one of this and use this template. And since we would like to create the past job animation, it's like the transition of your previous photo into the animation transition of your past job in the previous, let's say previous year ago. And we will go to the template and the searching section up here, and I will type past job. Kindly wait, and we will use this template. And don't worry because the example video it use the animal picture. Don't worry because it can be applied to human photo. So for example, I will choose this picture, and as you can see that this animation will need 20 credits, and since we have the 20 credits to go, so it will be enough. So I will continue to click the create and kindly wait for the generation process. And while waiting for this generation process, you can simply visit or explore more about this application. And there you go, we have the notification up there that our video is ready. Then we can go to the notification and let's see the result. Oh my god, this monkey was a cop. So if you would like to try this app, don't worry to install it, and if you would like to download it, then you can simply click this. But if you are not in the pro version, then this app might be contains the watermark in the video. But if you're okay with that, then you can just simply click it. And if you would like to change, or I'm sorry, to send it into your favorite social media, then you can simply choose this one of the social media here. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.